That's why sometimes when I sit down, I reminisce on the past and I check the future. I look back, I look front, I look sideways. I was able to discover only one thing, and that thing I discovered was about Fela and Nicola Bokuti, whom I always make reference to. Do you know what they call them? They call them government what? Magic. He said, when you want to buy something, they will add money. That's Fela Nicola Bakuti. When you think that they are about to do something, everything will spoil. He said it's government magic. That was how he defined Nigerian government. Since that time till date, you see what Tinubu is doing? He has lost track with reality. Unfortunately, Tinubu's 1 year in office has been very, very, very disastrous. Nigerians are mourning. Since May 29, he was inaugurated into office to date. Nigeria has mourned for good 1 year without any form of thing to show. He said, when fella said, how would the fella? He said, suffering and doing what? Smiling. 99 people are standing in a bus that has only 29 people. Do you understand the kind of economy where you have 99 people standing and the seat there is 29? Do you understand the ideology, the concept, the philosophy of Fela Nicola Bakuti? That was the typical example of what Remi Tinubu, and Tinubu are trying to tell Nigerians, including Sheyi, his son, the president's son. He said Nigeria should be patient. Buhari, Nigeria, we are patient for Buhari for 8 years. Then, why are you there? People are saying maybe Tinubu to an extent. Of course, without his possibility of returning to Aso Rock come 2027. You see what is playing out in the Kano now? You see the conflicting court order and judgment. You see, that what you are seeing there is they have continued to destroy the traditional institution in Nigeria. If somebody like the emirship in Kano can be tampered with, that means these politicians are extremely dangerous because of what they are lining up their pockets with. You see Sanusi, Adebayero, you see what's happening in Kano, conflict, court judgment, and thereabout. It is not about the traditional institution. It's not about the custody of those traditional institutions. It's about 2027. If Tinubu loses Kano, if Sanusi retains his position as the emir of Kano, bye-bye for Tinubu. The struggle to bring back, as I'm talking to you now, Adebayero is being given federal might. But let us see what is going to unveil at the end of the day. And that is Nigeria, 1 year of Tinubu's 1 year of Tinubu's administration in let me tell you, you see, the manner of which the whole thing was done is quite suspicious. You know that the same thing happened to Sanusi and he walked away gently. And this one, he had to go to the National Assembly, State National Assembly, and repeal that act and make it legal for the restoration of Sanusi as the emir of Kano. So he went through that legal process. Now, Adebayero is saying that he got one court order, and you can see wherever he is now, another federal high court order is already playing out, as I'm talking to you now, that Sanusi should move out from that place.
Impossible. Sanusi was there when Ganduje removed him illegally. Based on that illegality, he gone. Now, after going, another set of government came in, anti-APC. That's the NPP under Kwankwaso. Now, Sanusi is back to Kano State. Why are we dragging Curtis? Too glaring. Adebayor should go. He's supposed to go now. What is he doing? When they deposed Sanusi, he went with good faith. Adebayor, go.
So what are we saying? You know, sanity needs to be returned to Kano at this point, and they should stop toying with the traditional institutions. And what is happening in Kano is a clear tension to that regard. But of course, that's away from that anyway. We're looking at Tinubu's 1 year in office has been very, very. Somebody said that we should be patient. They said the patient dog eats the fastest bone. But unfortunately today, there's no bone anywhere to eat again. So whatever Tinubu is doing, Nigerians do not understand. What we are saying today, oh God, Tinubu Bole. Oh God, Tinubu Bole. Oh God, Tinubu Bole. That is the agitation, that is the reservation, that is the opinion of millions of Nigerians who are just low-income earners. I'm not talking of those billionaires who doesn't care, who is manipulating our economy. Tinubu has to be very decisive, but unfortunately, he is not. And that is why everybody is just confused and surprised. You know, that the Emiloko economy has brought nothing but renewed hardship. Thank you.
Good morning. Today's Democracy Day. What do you think about Tinubu's 1 year in office?
God bless you, my brother.
Yeah.
What I'm thinking in Tinubu's 1 year. Tinubu 1 year in office is a year of suffering, sorrow, tears, agony, disappointment, failure. Tinubu has failed woefully. There's nothing good, not even one, good about him. Emiloko, yes, good and fine. And now you are there. You that play against this Delta man called Goodluck Jonathan at the rate of price of 120 naira to remove subsidy. The same you organize party. Now you did not remove it. Hear this. Tinubu did not remove fuel subsidy. He did not remove it. It's still going on. But how much are you buying fuel? How much do you pay to this bus stop from your house? How much were you paying before? Hello? And nobody whole party, whether in the shop, in a room, concerning this. Nothing good has come out of Tinubu. There is a question in the Bible, can anything come out of Nazareth? But in the Bible now said, and Philip said to Nathan, he said, come and see. That something good has come out of Nazareth. At least something has come out of Nazareth. Until something come out of Tinubu regime, before I will speak good of him. As it is now, this 1 year, nothing has come out of him. Nothing good has ever. The only thing that has coming out of it is hunger.
No, they say they are doing Coastal Road. Coastal. Coastal Road. That is actually Coastal Road.
Excuse me. Coastal, is it a name? I know one footballer's name called Costa.
Or Coastal Biscuits.
And Coastal Biscuits. Hello, my brother. You are doing Coastal Road. For which people? The one that you have killed with hunger. The ones you have starved to weakness. Are they the one you are doing Coastal Road for? Or are you doing it for your family? I want to know. There is hunger. How much was dollar before you are sent to the throne, Mr. President? You were the part of the people who criticized Jonathan regime. And you have done worst. You have done worst. How much was a derica of rice and derica of beans during Jonathan time? and you criticize him. How much is it now? You cannot buy the rika of beans with 1,000. Neither do you buy the rika of rice with 1,000. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Before a pint of gari, a pint of gari.
600, 700.
Oh, okay, you know.
I know now.
600, 700. Even
now,
that 700 is
you collect change.
It was 400. During our Abacha time, in case you were not born that time, maybe you people had a set of 2,000. During our Abacha time, the man that they called the worst government, during the time of Abacha, a bag of gari, when it becomes expensive, it was sold at the rate of 150 naira. Go to Guinness, that market in the Guinness, if you don't want to go bush market, you go there, you get it 450 naira, 400 naira. Gari, and how many pint of gari make up of one bag of red gari? 14 and a half, that was my business. 14 and a half pint and 15 sometimes make up of one bag of red gari. One bag of white gari, 19 and a half, 20. If you have excess, that is 21 pence. 141, the original, not this present Derika price now. Oh, Derika, original Derika. 144 make one bag of beans. Go and check the one they are selling now. That time is that that bag that they used to so just son. It's a long from there to here. Are you getting it? That was my business then during Abacha. How much? A bag of rice, December price, top price, Uncle Ben's. That was the best rice as at that time. Siemens. Our ladies. December price. December price. Do you hear me? December price. It was sold at the rate of 1,400. Ordinary rice was sold at the rate of 800 naira. December price. Are you hearing me? We are buying bag of this thing. We are hearing bag of, we are buying it that time. Bag of beans, 800, 600 naira that time. I said that was my business. When it comes to food store business, everything is here. I will tell you everything that is in each bag.
But now,
64 derikas make up of one bag of rice. Original derika, not this fake one. Are you hearing me? Everything is here. Are you hearing me? But this is a man they call the worst government, the worst man ever in Nigeria. Tinubu'S, they don't come to your tongue. A miracle. Bag of the rika of rice now is how much? 1,300 naira. Does this supposed to be so? Not even with original derika, but with a fake derika. Not even with the original paint, with the fake paint. How do we know original paint? Go and bring that paint, that Costa paint. You will see 1, 2, 3 lines. That is complete paint. But what you have in the market now is 1, 2. This is a business. I know what I am telling you. I'm a business. That is the business I run. Then, are you hearing it?
But do you see the price of my food item coming down?
Huh?
The food price of item coming down.
I pray so.
In the time.
I am not saying, but I am praying for it. For that. Are you getting it?
Yes.
I am praying
for that.
For that. And I don't think that somebody like Tinubu can do that.
Why? Do you think that doesn't have the message of
I want to ask you a question. Have you ever seen anything go up in Nigeria that come down? It's a question. No, answer me now.
It's difficult.
How possible do you think that Tinubu can do it? Had they been that Tinubu can do it, he would have started from fuel price. At least, this fuel we are talking about is produced here in Nigeria.
No, it's not produced.
Hello, excuse me. No be our water, no be from there, then they bring them.
Now our crude oil.
Now our crude oil, no be our own.
No be here they refine now.
Now our own. We have refineries.
But it's not working.
Wait, excuse me. What did you just say? Excuse me. You say it's not working. What make it not to work? The same them make it not to work. Let me tell you, Tinubu have refinery overseas. Where this oil will be taken to, and the refinery they will now come down here and begin to deceive me and you. What stop the refinery? What stop them from not repairing it? We have many refineries in Nigeria. Every day you are wasting money. Why not put that money in our refinery and put it in order? And let us start to do it here. Hello. Buhari spent 8 years in office. He could not even one refinery. Tinubu has started. They say prepared meter. Go to NEPA now, they adjust it. The way the money is running now, I don't know. I am telling you, the thing carry private, even missile itself, the thing is faster than missile. No, where are we heading to? Nigeria is not going anywhere. Listen again. When they were preaching there, I told them that there's nothing like one Nigeria. That word called one Nigeria is a scam. It's a scam. Do you know why I say so? Hey.
Okay.
Do you know why I say so? Can Igbo man rule Lagos State as a governor?
Not possible.
Okay, it's not possible. Can Igbo man go to Kaduna and rule Kaduna as a governor? It's not you. What again? It's not possible. Can Aboki rule Anambra as a governor? Is it possible? It's not possible. So why we now want Nigeria? Don't you see that it's a scam? A Nigeria, as I'm talking to you today, a Nigerian citizen, a citizen of this country, won an election as a governor in Canada. That is a country that recognizes that want development, that want good things. A Nigeria becoming a governor in Canada. But Igbo man cannot be a governor of Lagos State. And you are telling me we are one. What makes us to be one? We are not what? One. We are divided. That word is a scam. It's a scam. So everybody should answer their father's name. Baba, answer your father's name. I know where I come from. I'm a Biafran. And I belong to Biafra. And I believe in Biafra. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Listen to me. I could remember when I was running business. When the local government people come, they bring paper. The money they give me is different from what they charge a Yoruba man. And you are telling me we are one Nigeria. Baba, you are provoking me with that statement. We are not one. If we are one, go and look for us as Igbo man. They will tell you, say, Omoibu, Omoibu. Does it supposed to be so? In a country we call ourselves one Nigeria. Every Igbo man, in anywhere he finds himself, believe in the development of that place. And that is why, go and check both in Yoruba land. In any corner, Igbo man find himself, he believes in one thing. That thing is to develop where you are and live peacefully there. But look at it today, especially in Lagos. Not quite well. This year, within 2 months now, they kill somebody, one Yoruba man there. Oluwole. They kill Babiski. Who killed them? Fulanis. The people that the Yorubas are drawing closer as one Nigeria, as their own. Omoibo. Now them be bad people. And I ask a question, I want to use this opportunity to put it again onto you. How much is Lagos State generating from the Fulanis that are full of all over Lagos State? How much are they generating from them?